Three little piglets, happy and bright, said let's learn to count, it'll be a delight. One little piglet jumped up with glee. Let's start counting, come along with me. Count with us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come and see. 7, 8, 9, and 10, counting fun, let's do it again. Two little piglets danced in the sun. Counting is easy, let's have some fun. 11 and 12, they wiggled and spun. 13, 14, we're almost done. Count with us, 11, 12, 13, 14, we're on the shelf. 15, 16, what's next you see? 17, 18, so happy and free. One little piglet shouted with joy. 19 and 20, oh what a ploy. The three little piglets cheered loud and clear. We learned to count, let's give a big cheer. Count with us, 19, 20, counting together is oh so plenty. Three little piglets happy and loud, counting from 1 to 20, we're so proud. So if you want to count, just sing along. With three little piglets you can't go wrong. Counting is fun, so let's give a shout. 1, 2, 3, let's dance all about.